Brighten your family's vacation with a stay at Marvelous Moonshine, located on the oceanfront in quiet Salvo Village. Everyone can relax in the private pool complex, where your family can spend long sunny afternoons lounging in the swim-up pool bar or enjoying refreshments in the neighboring tiki bar with plenty of shady seating. Enjoy the ping pong table and kids area and adjacent indulgent hot tub. Take the elevator up to the 3rd floor and enjoy the ocean views from the top-level great room, with a living area with a home theater system and fireplace, an oceanfront dining area, spacious gourmet kitchen, and an oceanfront top-level lounge with a wet bar and poker table. Nearby, you'll find the 3rd-level master bedroom, featuring a fireplace and flat-screen TV, as well as a private bath with whirlpool tub and separate shower. After a long day at the beach just steps away from Moonshine's door, you can head inside and relax in the expansive 1st-level game room with foosball, pool table, and wet bar. You can also take in a movie in the theater room with projection screen TV and stadium seating, or simply unwind in one of Moonshine's 8 accommodating bedrooms, including 7 master bedrooms. All of Moonshine's bedrooms are tastefully appointed with upscale beachy decor and furnishings, and comfortable beds for sweet island dreams. Many feature beautiful ocean views and deck access. After a vacation full of breezy days and starry nights, you'll find that Moonshine showcases the best of Hatteras Island beach vacations. Offered exclusively by Surf or Sound Realty, Hatteras Island's premier vacation rental company.